Thank you for this nice topic. For it, I'll tell you about a shop where I often visit to purchase some important items at least once or twice a week. This shop is conveniently located near my house. In fact, living in a small town has its perks, and one of them is being able to enjoy personalized shopping experiences from local businesses. I have a favorite shop near where I live, which I often use for various reasons. The shop I'm talking about is a bookstore that sells all kinds of books, including novels, comics, magazines, newspapers, and academic books. In addition to books, the shop also offers stationery items like pens, papers, and pencils, as well as some educational toys and games. The bookstore is located in the heart of the town, just a few minutes' walk from my house. It is a small but cozy shop, with wooden shelves lined up neatly, displaying books and other products. The shop's exterior is decorated with a large glass window, which showcases the latest books and stationery items available. I love reading, and this bookstore is the perfect place to find my favorite books. I appreciate the variety of options available, from classics to contemporary books. Besides, the shop owner is very friendly and knowledgeable about books, and he always recommends me some excellent reads. Moreover, the convenience of its location makes it easy for me to pop in and browse the new releases whenever I have some spare time. I would highly recommend this shop to anyone looking for an excellent read or stationery items.